How to fix Binance install problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Binance install problem. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Play Store on your device. Head towards the home screen of Play Store and tap Profile at top right corner of the screen and select Settings option. From among this option, you need to select Network Preferences and choose App Download Preference and select Over any network and tap OK button to apply the changes. Once done, head towards Settings on your device. Open Apps. Select App Management option and you need to search for Google Play Store. Open the App Info section of Google Play Store and tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once done, you need to try installing Binance app and your problem will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.